Good morning, Wednesday, December 8th. Watching a lot of things today. Um, I was talking about, we made another uh, production there this morning, except the microphone got screwed up a little bit, so I had to just restart it. But anyway, we were watching EFOI here with tremendous. I mean, some of the biggest volume I've seen in a while. And again, it looks like it's not really going to want to give me a signal. It's the same as yesterday there on that other one. The signal was here at 398, I guess. But I mean, really? Was that a signal? Was it? Is there a signal there? Can you see the signal? Let me see if I can see the signal. What the fuck is wrong with everything? Um, 398. Maybe, but I mean, that bridge isn't the greatest. So, fuck. Here we go. Now we're might go into a halt here very shortly. We'll see. Then we were also watching. Oops, we gotta stay on that. That's right. We're gonna. Oops. Look at me. Oh, this is just awesome, eh? Best video ever. Anyway, boom. We're gonna go to here. This one's called Dare. Dare. So I was saying this earlier. If anybody wants to see, when you see this daily candles, Dare is just chock full of it. Daily candles. Let's go to the daily candle chart. Boom. Okay. They call them one and dones. Look at this volume thing. It's all messed up now. One and done. See the spikes? See the spikes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if you want to know what a one and done looks like, there it is. Right? So all wick. Up, back down, all wick. So, reset this again. I don't know what the fuck is going on. This is putting in fairly strong volume. Not quite as much as the other one, but still quite a bit. Now, would some people call that a dip and rip right now? I think it's too far away from the VWAP, so I'm not going to touch it. And talk about things that don't die. Holy moly, BFRI. This was our ticker from like days and days and days ago. Just going to flick out of this. See if we can get this to clean up. Look at this. Look at it. It might do one of these pumps up to the VWAP again, but I mean, what in the there's so much repeat business here. It's not even funny. The way the market, this is what I'm trying to say, is that, what happened there? That was interesting, wasn't it? Oops. Anyway, there's so much repeat business here that it's hilarious how none of this stuff dies. And this is what I'm trying to say. This is what I was saying before. There's Dare. I'm going to close out that ticker symbol thing so we can fly through these. But this is what I was saying before. It's the EFOI. What was I saying before? I was saying before that the stuff doesn't seem to want to die, right? And so if there's, so today's Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday, the day before that was Monday, haha, rocket science, but those 2 days were slow. So when Wednesday comes rolling around and you got all these guys that are friggin', they need to put their money, they want to make money, right? Everybody wants to make money, so they're going to press these things. They're going to make them go up because they're excited, right? Like everybody's excited to maybe get a trade. Like they're just, oh, let's get a trade, let's get a trade. Yeah, and it's patience, 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 right? This is EFOI. Hopefully I grabbed the right one here. Yeah, there you go. Patience, right? We're going to have to wait for this. And then just like that, boom, look at the drop. So you'll start to notice over time that, when everybody's patience wears thin, they drop it. I was watching a couple of other things, and man, they say, oh, let your runners win and all this. I was watching some other live trading things, right? These guys don't hold. for very long. Holy crap, man. If anything, I hold, wait, like, if you think I'm in and out or not at all fast, like, these guys are fucking in and out fast, man. Like, they do not let the winner run. They're going to let this go from 406 to 420, 420, right? Like, that's the move. And they're just going to try and collect their 2 or 3% every time. Start watching them, man. You'll start seeing how fast these guys are in and out. And this is why the whole market is so indecisive, like up and down, up and down, up and down all the way. A lot of people look at this and they're like, what the fuck is going on? I don't know what's going on. And now we have this ISIG from the other day that's been halted on the way up. Look at it. And this was just because of this move here from the other day. Well, we might have a little more here. Hold on, just let me... there's the actual whole move, right? It was actually... Yeah, well, never mind. It was only 2 days ago. Sorry about the volume on this video. It's a little bit... For some reason, my charts are a little bit... not programmed. So anyway, ISIG halted, and then here's BFRI coming off of the VWAP here. This is already becoming 6-minute video. We might have to shut this one down and just call it day in the life of a day trader here. It's not an easy job here to every morning you got to do this kind of similar thing. Where there's EFOI, DARE now going, and ISIG that's been, I gotta change it off of that. ISIG that's halted out from yesterday, or from the other day. This is what I'm just saying. Life in the day traders world. You have to do this every day, and you have to roll through the tickers and. I'm not going to say fabricate, but you have to fabricate a trade here. You have to give it a rhyme, a reason, and a purpose with risk in mind. And sometimes just sitting on your hands is one of the best things you can do, and just pay attention, right? A lot of them say wait until your what do you call it? Your best trade comes to you. When the trade comes to you, then you'll have better odds, right? Better odds of it working in your favor. And what it means is, don't let the trade come to you, but I mean it's your setup. And when you feel the most comfortable, you can. Why is that one all fucked up now too? You can take advantage of those. That's all we're here to do is identify opportunity and take advantage of it when we can. 9:40 and 30 seconds. So. 2.5 more minutes here until the halt comes off on this one, right? So we might say like, share, subscribe, leave some comments. This is becoming a bit long. So, day in the life, because sitting on your hands is important. Especially when you do this in real time, every time, because it's not what you trade, it's definitely how you trade. And you have to subscribe if you want your high fives. So, until the next bounce, or dip, or breakout, or technical support levels, or volume, price, time, everything comes together. Like, share, subscribe. Leave some comments.